You ever wondered if artificial intelligence poses a threat to our society? It's a question that's been buzzing around in the back of our minds, especially as AI continues to weave itself deeper into the fabric of our everyday lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines that work and react like humans. From the voice assistant in your phone to the self-driving cars on our roads, AI is no longer a thing of the future, but a reality of the present. Yet, as with all great advancements, it brings with it a new set of challenges. There's an undercurrent of potential threats that could disrupt the harmony of our society and the safety of our personal lives. So, what are these threats? And how dangerous could they be? Now, let's dive into the 10 most dangerous AI threats that we should be aware of. The first threat we face is job loss. Artificial intelligence in its rapid development has become capable of automating a vast array of tasks. From manufacturing to transportation, even roles in customer service and healthcare are not immune. This automation, while beneficial in increasing efficiency and reducing human error, brings with it a significant downside. It's a double-edged sword, really. As machines take over human tasks, the need for human labor decreases, leading to job loss on a potentially vast scale. This is not a distant, far-off concern. The threat is real, and it's here. We're already witnessing the early signs of this transition in various industries. The resulting unemployment can lead to widespread social instability, affecting not just individuals but entire communities. The silver lining, however, lies in our ability to adapt and prepare. By focusing on workforce reskilling and embracing roles that necessitate human touch, we can mitigate the impact. AI automation can lead to significant job loss unless we prepare accordingly. The second threat is security breaches. Picture this: a world where artificial intelligence is used maliciously to infiltrate systems and pilfer information. It's not a dystopian novel plot, but a very real possibility. As AI progresses, it's not just the benevolent uses that advance, but also the potential for misuse. Imagine an AI system trained to decode complex security systems falling into the wrong hands. Or consider a bot designed to mimic human interaction being used to trick people into revealing sensitive information. An AI can run thousands of hacking attempts in a fraction of the time a human could, making it a formidable tool for cybercriminals. The threat of AI-powered security breaches is not just about the potential for financial loss, but also about the erosion of trust in digital systems that our modern society heavily relies on. As AI becomes more sophisticated, so does the potential for security breaches. Thirdly, we have the threat to our privacy. In an era where information is the new gold, artificial intelligence is the pickaxe. AI has the potential to collect and analyze mind-boggling volumes of personal data. Every click we make, every purchase we complete, even every step we take can be tracked, recorded, and scrutinized. AI doesn't just stop at collecting data. It goes one step further by analyzing this data to create detailed profiles of individuals. And it doesn't discriminate whether you are a public figure or an average Joe. You have a digital footprint that AI systems can trace. While this data can be used for beneficial purposes, such as improving user experience or anticipating needs, it can also be misused. Think about targeted advertising taken to an extreme, or worse, personal data falling into the wrong hands. Our privacy, once considered a fundamental right, is now under siege. The threat to our privacy is real and growing with the advancement of AI. The fourth threat is bias. Now, it's important to understand that artificial intelligence doesn't have inclinations or prejudices of its own. However, it learns from the data it's fed. If that data reflects our own biases in society, the AI will mirror those biases, leading to unfair outcomes. Consider an AI used in recruitment. If the data it's trained on consists of predominantly male candidates, the system might inadvertently favor men, thus perpetuating gender bias. Similarly, an AI system could be biased in terms of race, age, or socioeconomic status if its training data is skewed in these aspects. These biases can have far-reaching implications, from job opportunities to credit approval and even judicial sentencing. It's crucial to ensure that the data used to train AI systems is representative of the diversity in our society. Only then can we mitigate this threat. AI systems can perpetuate and amplify bias if not carefully managed. The fifth threat is dependence. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence does everything for us, from cooking our meals to driving our cars. It's convenient, isn't it? But this convenience comes with a cost. As we grow more reliant on AI, we risk becoming less self-reliant. We might forget how to perform basic tasks or make decisions without the assistance of AI. Think about it like this: if we always rely on GPS to navigate, we might lose our innate sense of direction. Or if AI always decides what we should eat, we might lose our ability to make healthy choices. This over-reliance can lead to a loss of human skills and autonomy, making us mere passengers in our own lives, driven by the whims of AI. In essence, dependence on AI could transform us from active participants into passive observers in our own existence. Over-dependence on AI can lead to a loss of human skills and autonomy. The sixth threat is deception. Picture this: a video of a world leader declaring war, a celebrity confessing to scandalous behavior, your friend admitting to a secret only to discover later that none of it was real. Welcome to the world of deepfakes. AI-driven technology enables the creation of realistic images, videos, and audio recordings that are almost indistinguishable from the real thing. It's like a digital ventriloquist, putting words into the mouths of people who never said them. Imagine the chaos and confusion that could arise when we can no longer trust our eyes and ears. The potential for misuse is staggering: spreading false news, impersonating individuals for fraudulent activities, or even inciting social unrest. The ability of AI to fool us with such convincing realism brings deception to a whole new level. It's not just about fooling people anymore, it's about undermining trust and truth in our digital society. AI has the potential to be used in deceptive ways with serious implications. The seventh threat is military use. Picture this: a world where warfare is not fought by human soldiers, but by autonomous weapons powered by artificial intelligence. It's not a far-fetched sci-fi movie plot, but a potential reality we could be facing. Autonomous weapons can make decisions without human intervention. They could identify targets and decide when to attack based on their programming. This might sound efficient, but it raises serious ethical and moral questions. What happens when a machine makes a mistake or if it's hacked? The responsibility and accountability are blurred. Furthermore, the potential for an arms race in autonomous weapons is a real concern. Nations might compete to develop more advanced AI-powered weaponry, escalating tensions and potentially leading to conflict. And what about the loss of human judgment in warfare? AI is not capable of understanding the complexities of human emotions and the value of life. The military use of AI can lead to unforeseen and potentially catastrophic consequences. The eighth threat is the lack of regulation. Imagine a world where powerful entities are unchecked, where their actions are not governed by any laws or standards. This is the landscape we're currently facing with artificial intelligence. Since AI is a relatively new development, there's a significant lag in the establishment of regulations to ensure its responsible use. This gap leaves room for misuse and unintended consequences. Consider this: AI algorithms, if left unchecked, could make decisions that negatively impact our lives. For instance, an AI could deny a loan application based on biased data, or it could misinterpret a medical scan, leading to incorrect treatment. Without regulations, who is held accountable for these errors? Moreover, the absence of regulation can also lead to an AI arms race, with entities pushing the boundaries of what AI can do without considering the ethical implications. This could potentially lead to scenarios we're not prepared to handle. Without proper regulation, AI can pose significant risks. The ninth threat is singularity. Now, what exactly does that mean? In the context of artificial intelligence, singularity refers to the hypothetical future point where AI will surpass human intelligence. It's the moment when machines become so advanced that they not only outperform us in every task, but also start improving and evolving themselves at an exponential rate. This is a concept that has both fascinated and terrified scientists and futurists. Imagine an entity with superhuman intelligence capable of outthinking us in every domain. It could solve problems we can't even comprehend. But what happens if this entity doesn't share our goals or values? What if it decides that humans are a threat or unnecessary? It's like we're building a god and we have no idea how to ensure it's a benevolent one. The singularity is a potential future threat that we need to be aware of. It's a reminder that we should proceed with caution as we continue to develop artificial intelligence. The 10th and final threat is inequality. We've seen how artificial intelligence can transform industries, optimize processes, and even shape our daily lives. However, it also has the potential to exacerbate existing inequalities and even create new ones. Consider this: AI systems are often designed by a small, homogeneous group of individuals. Typically in developed nations, this could lead to technology that caters to the needs and biases of a specific group, while inadvertently marginalizing others. Also, with AI automating jobs and tasks, there's a risk of creating a divide between those who can adapt and those who can't. This could lead to an AI divide, a gap between the AI haves and have-nots. Moreover, there's the issue of data privacy. Wealthy individuals and corporations could potentially buy better privacy, leaving the less fortunate more exposed. And so we arrive at a critical juncture. AI has the potential to increase inequality if not properly managed. We must strive for an inclusive AI future where everyone benefits, not just a select few. So those are the 10 most dangerous AI threats. Stay with us. As we've covered a wide range of subjects today, we'll soon provide a concise summary of all the key takeaways from our discussion. In the world of tomorrow, artificial intelligence will undoubtedly play a pivotal role. As we've delved into today, it's not all roses and sunshine. There are real and substantial threats that come with this technological advancement. Firstly, we touched on the threat of job loss. Automation and AI are swiftly transforming the job market, making it imperative that we adapt and evolve our skills to stay relevant. Next, we discussed the risk of security breaches. As we become more reliant on AI, the potential for these systems to be exploited by malicious actors increases. Cybersecurity is not a luxury, it's a necessity in this digital age. Then, we explored the issue of privacy. With AI systems collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data, safeguarding personal information is a considerable challenge. We can't ignore the need for robust data protection measures. We also highlighted the problem of bias in AI. These systems learn from existing data, and if that data contains biases, the AI will reflect them. It's a stark reminder that our technology is only as good as the data it learns from. The threat of dependence on AI was our fifth point. As we intertwine our lives with AI more and more, we risk becoming overly reliant on these systems, potentially to our detriment. We moved on to the threat of deception by AI, the rise of deepfakes, and how they could manipulate truth and reality. There's a need for critical thinking and fact-checking in our interactions with AI. We then considered the military use of AI and the ethical dilemmas it presents. The prospect of autonomous weapons is indeed a chilling one. Lack of regulation in AI was our next point. The need for comprehensive, globally accepted laws and regulations around AI use is more urgent than ever. We also discussed the singularity, the point at which AI surpasses human intelligence. It's a speculative concept, but one that has profound implications for our future. Finally, we talked about inequality. AI has the potential to widen the gap between the haves and the have-nots, making it crucial to ensure fair access to AI technology. As we continue to integrate AI into our lives, it's crucial that we stay informed and vigilant about these potential threats.